Good evening. Welcome to Mike Dub 27 Day Trader. And today we're going to be looking at crypto. Now, crypto is making some moves all around the board. I think it has something to do with the fact that the tariffs have kind of come to a halt. And apparently, crypto didn't like tariffs because as soon as that happened, it started shooting out. One of the cryptos that I'm working with right now, let's go over to the other side. Of course, is Doge. You see right there, Doge earlier today, it was dropping. It had 21 cent. And now it's at 22 cent and it's going up as we speak. So Doge is definitely making some moves. And not only is Doge making moves, but also the Bitfarm companies are making some moves as well. For instance, TeraWolf, which is they own and operate in an integrated, environmentally clean Bitcoin mining facility in the United States. Ran by Paul Prager, only 12 employees in Easton, Maryland. Market cap 1.46 billion, so they're doing okay. The today's high, let's find it real quick. $3.96. Today's low, $3.70. 92% buy right here. And it hit that low as well back when there was uncertainty at $3.71. Hit a high of $3.93, and it's still working right now. It's at $3.88, but it's still working. If you look at some of the candlesticks, you can see right here that it was fighting today, but it's definitely on its way up. I like that big green candlestick right there. So it shows us that we're starting to trend in the correct direction. We can even see the MACD right here is starting to really show up. So that's always a good thing. And then also we have the companies that basically follow crypto. For instance, this one, Teucrium 2X Long Daily XRP ETF. And this is a ETF that provides 2 times leverage exposure to the daily price movement of XRP. So this basically follows XRP. When XRP goes low, it goes low. When XRP goes high, it goes high. Today's high is $33.25, but I'm looking at that 52-week high of $44.13. Now, recently, it actually had a nice little spike right here at 38.46. That was back on the 23rd. And then it just started kind of spiraling down, which was fine because I was able to get into it when it was kind of low. I want to say I got into it when it hit like 32 because I was hoping it was going to go back up to at least 34, saying how I just came off of the 38. But of course, it kept going down to 30. But we can see right there that it's already starting to pull back. It's already back at 32.40. So that's a good thing right there. So I'm already in the positive now. So we're just waiting for it to go ahead and go up a couple more dollars overnight. And I already set my automatic sell to go ahead and take care of that. So, who knows? Probably make some money overnight. But yeah, it's already in the positive. So we're doing good right there. There's nothing wrong with making money while you sleep, right? And then I just need Wolf. Let me see where Wolf is at. Wolf needs to go up a little bit more. I need Wolf to hit $4, to be honest with you. I don't mind if it hits $3.95. It got close right here. But I need Wolf to hit $4, which, it was all over that on the 22nd. So we're gonna go ahead and see how that rolls. And we're still really up when you actually go back to April. It was at 274. You know, one thing about this is really volatile, so it has ups and downs. So even before that, back in March, it was at 371. And then if you go a year behind, it was in $5 and $6 range. So you can kind of see why the analysts give it such a high rating, because the potential is there. And it's pretty much, it's all based off of crypto. But so far, so good. Today is definitely a good day. As far as NVIDIA is concerned, I think NVIDIA had a lot to do with the market kind of going up too. And man, after their earnings, it was over with. I think went from $134.34 to 142.27. So the aftermarket people definitely made some money right there. And I expect it to probably have a dip tomorrow morning at around 9:30 when all these people take their profit. But after that, it's probably going to start shooting up again. Let me see if they change their projected price. See, the fair value is still low at 125, so I don't really understand that. Let's see right here where the earnings report is. It was estimated at 75 cents. It actually hit 96 cents. So that's why it was such a good move. But it's just a lot of stuff going on with the tariffs that I think makes people kind of skittish about getting into that particular stock. Now, for you Lucid people out there, you can go ahead and check on that. And Lucid's kind of hanging around 266, 265. It hit a low of 261. Let me see right here. Ford dropped to 261 again. So it's one of those things where it seems to be testing at 261. You look at the week, it went down as far as 256. I think I put my alert at 255. Let me go ahead and change that to 256. Now I can take advantage of that 256 to 266. That's 10 cents on a $2.66 stock. So that's not bad at all right there. But otherwise, everybody looks good. I'm in the positive. That's always a good thing. And we're going to see what it looks like in the morning. So hopefully everybody has a good day and keep trading. And don't forget to like, don't forget to follow. I'm Mike Dub 27 Day Trader, and I'm out. Deuces.